Go ahead.
This is Ryan with Sports Stuff Hub here at West Coast Sports Cards in Federal Way, Washington, doing a box break of 2014 Topps Chrome football. So we did one break of this yesterday and had pretty good success. We're again aiming for some of those Odell Beckhams. Had a couple, like I said, a couple nice pulls in it yesterday, and this one does not want to open for me, right? So 24 packs in the box.
You can't even do it under my name. That's okay.
24 packs in the box, 4 cards per pack.
Is it someone even now? I'm going to give you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Really, Sean, go home early.
Nice. All right, first pack, we got a Shazier, AJ McCarron, die cut parallel. All right. Archer, Michael Sam, Mike Davis, blue parallel, numbered out of 199.
Thank you.
I said we pulled out, yesterday we pulled out 3 Odells out of one box. I wouldn't mind seeing that success again. Darquez Denard, that's the autograph we got yesterday. So far in this one, we are not having the same success we had. Brandon Cooks, there's our first mini card. Keenan Allen. Crossing our fingers for that David Carr mini
auto.
Hoffman, Tyler Gaffney. Looks like that card was messed up. So, like I said, so far this is not having the same. Hopefully, the end of the box is massive for us. There you go, Austin Seferian-Jenkins mini. That's a green border. Antonio Brown, Jamal Charles. Since we're got a lot of packs to crack here, I'll just say it. If anybody's interested, anybody watching is interested, we're doing some case breaks we're setting up here over the next several days, weeks, everything. We're doing case breaks, so if anybody's interested, make sure to message us. All the info, as you can see on the bottom of the screen there, is there you go, Sammy Watkins out of 99, number 60 out of 99. All the info for getting a hold of us is down at the bottom of the screen there, as you can see across the bottom. Make sure you get your spots in our case breaks. Bradley Roby, parallel. But we're working on some immaculate breaks right now. Working on museum collection, 15 museum collection. Jared McKinnon, Stephen Tuitt. And we're also going to be setting up some Pack War style boxes. Make sure you catch that, watch that, see how we do those, and see if you're interested in participating. There we go. There's our autograph. Scott Crichton, Minnesota Vikings defensive end. And this one is not numbered, but there's our autograph right there. So halfway through the box, we hit our autograph, and I'm crossing my fingers that we've got a bonus autograph in here. I'm a little disappointed with that one. Carlos Hyde. That has a very small autograph too. Got some guys nowadays that all they do is sign their initials, and it's like, come on guys, there's a Derek Carr rookie card. Hoping for some parallels here. I'm kind of disappointed in our overall parallels and our basic rookie cards. There's a Teddy Bridgewater. So at least we're starting to get some of the rookies going in here now. Let's see if we can get one or two more yet in here. Karen, Logan Thomas, Rob Gronkowski. There's the salute to service parallel. This one's numbered out of 499. As you can see, it's got the camo border to it. Clowney, a cam parallel. Jordan Nelson, Fantasy Focus. Yeah, we're just not getting the hot rookies as we did in that last box. This is a little disappointed in this box. There we go, Terrence West. There's the little slim card. So we've got 2 of the mini cards and 1 of those slim profile cards. And from what I understand, you can get those slim cards in autographs as well. I thought I saw one of those online before, so it'd be pretty neat pulling one of those too. Man, no high-profile rookies lately. Darrell Revis green parallel. Dang. Come on, let's keep our fingers crossed here. Let's see what we can get. Sammy Watkins rookie card. There we go. So we got 2 Sammys. Cordero Patterson non-rookie parallel. Devontae Adams rookie. There's our Beckham Jr. Finally got one. So there's the there's our 1 Odell we get for this one. 2 packs left, it looks like. Let's see. Come on, Odell. Come on, Derek Carr. Come on, second autograph.
Yeah.
Let's take a second autograph out of here. I'll gladly take another one of those. Brandon Coleman. Ooh, Tom Savage. Yay. Didn't he end up at, who did he play for this last year?
He was not a Houston Texan.
No, I didn't think so. And there's DeAnthony Thomas. So we ended up getting 5 of those style cards.
Yeah, that was better than the last box for those.
Yeah. So there's our last pack. There's our hot rookies and our one insert out of there. The Watkins, as you can see, out of 99. That's not a bad card. Other than that, like I said, a little disappointed in this box. 2014 Topps Chrome Football.